took my little cat naps. I could still get exercise at my stand hours out of them. Out of all my hours. But it's just, what the fuck? Hold on. I might have to go out there and pull that the fuck down. I might have to go out there and pull that the fuck down. It's too fucking heavy, though. I can't go out in this kind of rain. There's one thing that could stand it, except for the umbrella, is that flag over there. It's in the very left corner. So it's umbrella versus flag. Why isn't my fucking thing over there reading? It fucking rained yesterday. This thing ain't reading shit. What's my thing say in my room? I'll be right back with the number.